There's so many meats and cheeses out there, right?
Right.
And condiments and toppings and shit like that. So I'm all about going regional. So that's why today I said we're heading to Spain because would you have me those? Um, I got these killer meats from my friends at Palacios, which is out of Spain. Hello, it's the real shit. So today we're going Spanish. I'm drinking a Spanish white. Karen's drinking like a Spanish rosé because we can. Uh, but if you break it down regionally, I think that kind of helps a little bit.
Yeah, no, I hate going through the grocery aisle and saying what cheese should I pick, what meat should I pick. I never know how to put it together or what complements each other.
Right. And most people
Yeah,
don't. And most people don't. So that's why I think it's great if you go regionally
yeah,
and go, okay, let's
gives
just
you some focus.
exactly because there's so many options. So we're gonna just build ours. I made that aioli with the orange and saffron the other day. We're dropping that on. Oh, piquillo peppers from Spain. Then this is a tapenade that I did with all kinds of Spanish olives. Made it simple, or you can buy it.
Uh-huh.
I already pulled this apart, but I like this color better over here, right? Because I've got the saffron. So it's about color, balance, meats and cheeses, and then having room for people to get in and grab what they'd like. Take somebody pick one of your manchegos and let's kind of drop some of those. Grab some
Okay,
of these
just a
and
little handful.
yeah, and don't have pieces of cheese that are like bigger than people's mouths because they'll try to eat it. So we're gonna drop one of the manchegos here. Then what's great to do with prosciuttos and other cured hams that are similar to prosciutto, like this Iberico ham, is just kind of tear it in pieces. Again, maybe so
Okay,
people can grab it, right?
right,
We're not doing the crazy rows or whatever, but if you
right.
kind of tear these and just have them so people can casually grab,
Yeah,
accessibility is
yeah,
key.
smaller.
We do have room for nuts, and no one here is allergic, so we're doing it. So let's maybe put some other manchego here, one of the other flavors. We do have room. I have the bread separately, but again, based on how you want to build it, we just toasted some bread with, we kind of charred it. Exactly. So, try Spain, France, Italy, and you
Mhm.
can have different themes for your friends and your guests and, keep it fun. And like Karen said, have focus. And as you know, I struggle with focus. So just hanging out in Spain today made it a lot easier. You've got all these flavors and texture. I just wanted to say real quickly, thanks for tuning in. But if you want more craziness with me in the kitchen, drinking wine, cooking, or whatever it may be, please subscribe, like, follow, do your thing. We're ready to roll and we're good to go. And I'll see you next time. Thanks again.